Let's take a look at PLC programming languages and answer this question: why we have so many languages? Hi guys, this is Ehsan from PowerEN, and please hit the button and subscribe, and let's go to subject. Okay, if I want to answer this question, we have to overview the past. In the early days, the companies were isolated. I mean, the companies were made PLC. They were isolated from each other, and everyone have a specific rules and languages for them. This cause we have a lot of languages that you can see nowadays. We have to use them. Okay, finally, IEC got involved and say, okay, I made a standard and you have to follow this if you want to make a PLC. Finally, in 1994, the standard of IEC that it was IEC 6113113 revolved and say you have to cover all of these 5 languages: ladder, FBD, ILST, and SFC. Fortunately, the good things happen again, and the situation improved due to advancement of science. Actually, we had a separation between hardware and software. In early days, if I want to write a project, I had to write it on PLC directly. But now I can write the project in my PC and finally compile it to a machine language and send it to PLC. So what is its advantage? In this situation, I can write my project in any language, I mean those 5 languages, and then finally send it to PLC. So for example, I'm expert that I can write project in ladder diagram. So I do it and I have some error on my project. I can turn it to FBD and send it to my friend that is expert in FBD language. My friend receive it, open it, and diagnose it, and finally my friend transfer it to ladder diagram and again email it to me. I open it and boom, it's good, it can work for me. So there is no matter which language you choose, all of the language have this capability to turn each other. So please hit the button and subscribe. It's beginning for us. It's so important to us that you subscribe, and if there is any question, please leave it below in comments, and in the following video I will tell you which languages are suitable for you. So see you soon.